Yeah, hi guys, Jasper Hewitt here from Bushwakka, Africa. If you're a family man and enjoys the outdoors, check out this super new Bhoma Fargo. I'm so proud of my team's new creation. We've built this on the concept of our award-winning Bhoma Classic. The same chassis with a few modifications. Major changes are this new shaped engineered nose cone, streamlined, aerodynamic. We've increased the capacity underneath on the chassis, shaped the chassis to give it a new modern, sleek look. We've flared the wheel arches, as you can see here, but it doesn't affect the suspension. And then amazingly, the access to a second fridge. That is phenomenal in this model. A second fridge to complement the back of the kitchen. So this excites you the way it excites me. Click the link in the description, join the Bushwakka family and become part of that adventurous lifestyle you dream of.